In day 17 of our 30-day savings challenge, we'll show you how to pack nutritious and affordable lunches that will not only save you money, but also improve your overall well-being. Let's dive in. Number 1. Tips for packing healthy and affordable lunches. When it comes to packing healthy and affordable lunches, a little bit of planning can go a long way. By adopting some simple strategies, you can create meals that are both nutritious and budget-friendly, without sacrificing taste or variety. One of the keys to success is to plan your meals in advance. This will not only help you save time, but also ensure that you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. Consider dedicating a few hours each week to meal prep so you can cook in bulk and use leftovers for your lunches. Another tip is to choose nutritious, low-cost ingredients. Think beans, lentils, brown rice, vegetables, and lean proteins like chicken, turkey, or tofu. These foods are not only good for your health, but also versatile and easy to customize. Investing in reusable containers is also a smart move, as it will save you money in the long run and reduce waste. Look for containers that are sturdy, leak-proof, and microwave-safe, so you can easily transport and heat up your meals. Number 2. Budget-friendly lunch ideas. Are you tired of the same old boring sandwich for lunch? Fear not, because there are countless delicious and budget-friendly lunch ideas that will spice up your midday meal without breaking the bank. One option is to create your own bowl meal, where you mix together a variety of ingredients in a bowl or container. For example, try a quinoa and black bean bowl with roasted sweet potato, avocado, and a lime cilantro dressing. This meal is packed with nutrients and can easily be made in advance. Another idea is to make your own homemade soup. Not only is soup a comforting and satisfying lunch option, but it's also a great way to use up leftovers or vegetables that are about to go bad. Try making a big batch of vegetable or lentil soup on the weekend, and divide it into individual portions for the week. If you're looking for something quick and easy, a simple wrap or salad can be a great option. Use a whole wheat, tortilla, or lettuce leaves as your base and fill it with your choice of protein, vegetables, and a flavorful dressing. You can also make your own salad dressing by combining olive oil, vinegar, mustard, and honey. Finally, don't forget about the power of leftovers. Instead of throwing out extra portions from dinner, use them as the base for your next day's lunch. Leftover stir-fry, chili, or roasted vegetables can all be transformed into a delicious and satisfying lunch. Number 3. Ways to make packing your own lunch more enjoyable. One way to make packing your own lunch more enjoyable is to invest in some fun and colorful lunch containers. Ditch the boring brown paper bag and opt for a bright, reusable container that makes you smile. You can also try packing your lunch in a bento box, which allows you to separate your food into different compartments and adds an element of fun to your meal. Another way to make packing your own lunch more enjoyable is to get creative with your food choices. Don't be afraid to mix and match different flavors and textures, and experiment with new ingredients. You can also try making your own homemade dips, dressings, and sauces to add some extra flavor to your lunch. If you're feeling uninspired, try browsing recipe blogs or social media for lunch ideas that look delicious and easy to make. You can also start a lunch club with friends or coworkers, where each person takes turns bringing in a homemade lunch to share and enjoy together. Finally, don't forget about the power of a good playlist or podcast to make the process of packing your own lunch more enjoyable. Put on some upbeat music or listen to a motivational podcast while you prep your meal, and you might just find that packing your own lunch becomes a relaxing and enjoyable part of your daily routine. Number 4. Recap of the benefits of packing your own lunch. First and foremost, packing your own lunch can save you a significant amount of money over time. By skipping the expensive restaurant meals and pre-packaged snacks, you can put that money back into your pocket and work towards achieving your financial goals. In addition to being budget-friendly, packing your own lunch is also a great way to eat healthier. When you prepare your own meals, you have full control over the ingredients you use, and you can ensure that your lunch is packed with nutrient-dense foods that will fuel your body and mind. Packing your own lunch can also be a great way to reduce waste and minimize your impact on the environment. By using reusable containers and avoiding single-use plastic, you can do your part to promote sustainability and reduce your carbon footprint. Finally, packing your own lunch can be a fun and enjoyable way to express your creativity and experiment with new flavors and ingredients. Whether you're trying out a new recipe or packing a colorful bento box, there are endless possibilities when it comes to packing your own lunch. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for Day 18 of our 30-Day Savings Challenge, where we'll be exploring the easy way to build your savings account. We'll provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then.